In this video guide, we're going to have a quick look to Adobe fonts, which can give us the possibility to use a lot of different fonts, which are really creative for our projects like graphic design, web design projects. So I can just search for Adobe fonts. I can open up one of these links. It's fine. We can directly go to the search engine, or we can go in the home page here and let's see what this is about. So, well, this is the main page, and right now it's in Italian, but it's just a representation, graphical representation of the font that you're looking for. So it's really easy to see. So right now we just need to choose the style. So if I want to choose like Western style, it's going to give me a lot of fonts using that particular style. So right now we are inside the search, and we can apply all these filters right here on the left side. So if you want more bold, or serif, sans serif, etc., etc. Now you can also use here, this is the home page. You can use Adobe Express if you want to test freely some of these fonts using an Adobe app. And down here you have other fonts. So if you're interested in some of these, you can just click on the preview here. And once you're inside, you have all the information. Now you need to have an account if you want to download and install this right away using the Adobe Creative Cloud. So by clicking here, you can add the font, or you can test the font in Adobe Express. And you'll find other courses and video guides about Adobe Express and other Adobe application in the channel if you're interested. So these are, again, some previews of the font. I just want to show you the process when you're logged in your Adobe account. So in my case, right now I'm logged in. So this is my account, which again is in Italian because it's detecting my language, but it doesn't matter. Let's just go and see a quick example. So I've already downloaded and installed this. So what I can do is remove the font. So I'm just gonna show you another one that I don't have. So I can just go around and browse until I find something that I like, or I can just search for something specific. Let's type like tech, okay, and just we choose a word in there. So we're gonna find some results, or we can just go to search all or browse all, which is gonna be like up here. Usually we can change the visualization here to grid and list, and decide if you want to see this bigger, smaller using the text. And here we can apply some filters, like if I want geometric or art fonts, and let me see here, variable. So if you want script, sans script, etc. Sometimes you don't find if you apply too many filters. So you can just apply them right here. Try to play around. So let's say I like this one here. I can directly click on this black button, which is going to add it in my Creative Cloud. So you can see it's adding right now, and I can open directly the app, or I can just say okay and just continue. So let me just go back to the home page once more and find something that I like. So let's say I like this one here. I can visualize this. There you go. And also I can add it with this black button. It's really distinguishable because it's black and it has the Creative Cloud logo. So you can add it also from here, or you can add variations or similar fonts down here. So let's click again here. And this time I want to open up the app so I can show you what is going to happen when you add different families of fonts. So here we have the fonts that we added in the middle, and you can also find it in here. This is the Creative Cloud. You can go to added fonts. It's going to be in the Adobe Fonts section, or you can search if you don't find it in Adobe Cloud. And there you go. So you just need to click on install. So once you download it, it's going to install it, and then it's going to be available for whatever app, Adobe app, but also a lot of other apps, like for example Word. They should be available. Remember to close and open up the app. So just turn it off and turn it on, and you should find those new fonts installed. So I can continue here, continue to install the fonts, and then use them in my web design project, graphic design project, etc. So this is how it works in Creative Cloud. Now, one thing we can do also here, let me show you. If I go back, for example, with this one, you can also sometimes change, do a little bit of editing directly here. So change the size and change the weight, do some tests on the text before you actually download it and use it. And also you can add it here to a web project where you can copy the URL or the CSS if you're doing, again, like web design projects. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to support us, join the channel as a supporter. Check out other courses or other video guides. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.